did a little rerouting of the lines to the oil can because I didn't like the way that they were up. When I routed them over top of the bracket, they were touching the wiring harness. I didn't really like that. So what I did was I spun the can, I repositioned the fittings, which kind of swaps the sides of what the hoses were before. They are correct. The baffle is where the PVC goes into. The hose now runs up under the bracket and the other one runs around it, and they're both well under the wiring harness, so there's absolutely no not even coming close to touching. So I think that makes for a cleaner install and kind of tucks the hoses a little bit more out of the way, and it looks a little nicer this way. I think this is just going to end up being just a little bit better solution than running them over top of the bracket like I had them originally. But just thought I would do a little update on that. And you can see if I can get down behind here, but you can see the hose there, how it's under the bracket now. It's not touching the harness, and same thing with the other side. It doesn't come close to the harness at all. And then back there I added another clamp just for safety's sake. Overall, I think it's a pretty clean install. Now we'll just run this for a while and see just how much oil that this oil can collects on the 2.7 liter Tacoma engines. These little 4-cylinders are pretty stout little engines. So, but I'm sure it'll collect some. These are port injections, so you know they will wash down the valve anyway with fuel, so they shouldn't cake up like a direct injection engine would anyhow. But just thought I would do a quick little update on that and showing how I reran the lines, so that way it's a little bit cleaner install. Hope this information helps anybody that may be looking to put a oil can on a 2.7 liter Tacoma.